then you push my hands out with your breath. Okay, think really deep, slow breath. There you go, yeah. Even if it just makes you breathe a little bit more. All right?
Okay.
So one more time from the beginning. Yeah. And then really focus on this breath right there. Okay?
Okay.
Don't get in the habit of sort of backing off in the middle. You're either going to breathe or you're going to not breathe.
Okay.
Does that make sense? You went, it was sort of like, what is she doing there? You still have your thought going, right? When in your performance. Good. Okay, now, take your fingers, and then you're going to say the words as you sing. But
Okay.
this is all on camera. You are super brave, girl. All right.
She makes me do it.
Just sing up and tall, okay? So, like,
Miss Bree's the one who said you should always record your lessons.
that's true.
Yeah.
All right. You okay?
Okay.
You need some water?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. You're doing good. All right. Ready? This is a lot of information at one time. I'm just doing this to help you remember to breathe. Okay? Now, you're just going to say the words, say the words as you have your fingers in your mouth.
Okay.
It's to get you open, and this 2 fingers, you don't have to think about it. You can just think about the notes and the rhythm and the words.
Okay.
And not the other 50 things. Okay? That's right. That's right. No, you're doing fine. All right, I'll do it with you. Ready? Good. Now, do you want to try that verse without the 2 fingers?
Yes.
But did you really see how much space you have in your mouth?
Yes.
That's how much space you want, but you still want to say the words in a way that you can understand them.
Okay.
Right? All right. So try again, or do it without your fingers. Open. Breathe. Good. Breathe. Go, 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 go. Good. Breathe. Now, near, you can still say near. You don't have to do near. You can still do E. Okay? All right, do now the stem. Good. So you have to actively visualize the line is going to move a little more.
Okay.
Move as in going a little faster. But not like super fast, just a little bit more movement to it. Okay? Alright, so right at my child. My child, my very own, don't be afraid. off, and you're just going to go, so you have enough space, okay?